Alright, Heinz Doofenshmirtz call up Thyssenkrupp elevator to fix the elevator speed problem since these elevators were incredibly slow, at least when I rode them yesterday. So not only did they do that, they had a fire service with the slight modernization they did. So let's see how these elevators are now. So these are the elevators at Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated in Fantech City, also part of the Old Crown Plaza, Dover modernized by Schindler. One's probably in the express zone right now. It's the one on the right. New chimes as well. We're going to go to 50. Penthouse is locked. Here we go. The real test begins after we get out of the express zone. They did change up the indicator a bit. However, this is still original. At least original to the Schindler elevator modernization. As you can see, the Schindler logo is still up there. So yeah, also Thyssenkrupp does maintain these elevators now, since they upgraded the elevators a little bit after the slowness problem. 32. Oh, this is much faster than the old Schindler modernization. Oh, these are much faster now. Good job, Thyssenkrupp. So the elevators are officially fast now. Go back down to the lobby. Oh, look. Signal 4 call cancel button. And the fire service is available in this elevator now. Here we go back down. These are rockets now. Wow, these are so fast. So these elevators are no longer slow. They're very fast now, which is good because this is a 51-story building. Alright, and that's it.